Janine, kinabili ba ng lahat sa pagiging straight to the point at hindi paligoy-ligoy? Kakatuwa nga ang mga naging reaksyon ng netizens sa pinaka-latest interview sa panganay na anak ni Ramon Monching Christopher Gutierrez at Lotlot de Leon na si Janine Gutierrez sa podcast ni Carmina Constantino, Casey After Hours. Direct to the point nga si Nini sa pagsagot sa mga naging katanungan ng host at walang paligoy-ligoy na sagot ang dalaga. Bagkos, agad-agad ay kanyang sinasagot ang naturang katanungan. Halos lahat naman ay bumibilib kay Janine na kakikitaan mo daw talaga ng pagiging matalinong tao.
Kasi she was able to keep things from the 70s and the 80s. So my goal with my own things was longevity as well.
Right.
Na, I'll only buy something or spend on something if I can use it for decades.
Pero kung, aging ang pinag-uusapan, sino pang prime model mo kundi yung mamita mo, di ba? Why would you fear aging kung yan naman yung nauna sa inyo at yun yung dugong nananalaytay sa katawan mo? Okay.
Narito naman ang ilang nakakataba ng puso na papuri sa actress at sa host. Ang sarap manood at makinig pag parehong matalino ang nag-uusap. Tinapos ko talaga kasi hindi nakakainip. Magandang magtanong at maganda ring sumagot si Janine. Thank you, Miss Casey. I love Nini. She's my idol ever since she started showbiz. Likewise, both are eloquent. Honest talagang sumagot si Janine, hindi showbiz lang. That's why I like her. May sense pa sumagot. Maka-learned ka pa. As much as it was cute to see Janine squirming with the smiles on her answer. On the last part, it was also funny to see the host slyly get those last questions out. How? What? Super intelligent ni Janine kapag sumasagot. Si Janine always smile at super beauty. Miss Janine is full of wisdom. I really like her. Kudos to her parents, grandparents. Miss Casey, sana next time silang dalawa na ni Eko ang interviewin mo. Humble si Janine, maganda and very smart. Yeah, there's a space for everyone. Janine Gutierrez. Ang ganda ni Janine kahit walang makeup. Ang galing mo, Janine, sobrang ganda, mabait pa. I can watch Janine over and over again. Hashtag Ekonin forever. Ang ganda ni Janine tsaka fresh na fresh siya. Parang mga 24 lang. Kapag naka-conversation mo, makikilala mo kung sino siya. Talaga kung anong klaseng tao siya. Siguro yan ang dahilan kung bakit nahulog agad ang loob ni Eko sa kanya. Napakasimple niya, napaka-humble niya. To think na mataas pa ang pinag-aralan niya at hindi rin. Basta-basta school ang pinasukan niya. You're such an idol, talaga Miss Janine. And I love you for that. Pang beauty pageant ang mga kasagutan ni Janine. Pinapakita pa lang niya, alam mo nang, matalino siyang tao. She was so happy with Jericho Rosales. They are sobrang bagay at makikita mo na happy si Janine at in love. Perfectly said, both in love. No need na mag-effort, na magpakilig. Di ba lumalabas na lang ng kusa ang spark nila. Hihihihi. Beauty and brain and talented woman. She's super very simple but pretty. Wow, I read all the comments. Salamat naman at walang basher si Janine. Galing niyan sumagot. Ito lang ang ilang mga hanash ng netizens na bumibilib at pumupuri ng todo hindi lamang sa kagandahan ni Janine kundi sa pagiging smart na rin ito. Love you, Janine. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.